Okay, in this video, I will show you how to download the prerequisites required to use your Ubuntu in Windows Terminal to operate with REEF3D and Direct Mesh. So, to start with, we do sudo apt get update and sudo apt get upgrade. So this is to make sure, and enter your password, of course. So this will take some time. This is to make sure that the repositories from which you are borrowing all the libraries which work the programs, so to say, are the latest programs, and your terminal has access to the latest libraries. So this is what sudo apt-get update and upgrade will do. So after a while, after connecting to the packages and building its lists and so on, it will ask you, do you want to continue? Of course, you say yes, capital Y, enter, and it will do its thing. Depending on the speed of your computer and your internet service, this could take a lot of time or very fast. So in this case, I've already finished this, took me less than 2 minutes. So once I am done with that, I do cycle. Okay, once that is done, sudo apt get build minus essential g fortran unzip space between everything that I'm typing here, make wget. Make sure that your spellings are correct. Open mpi minus bin space open mpi minus dev. So sudo apt-get, I made a little mistake here, apt-get install. So you're going to install packages named build essential, gfortran, unzip, make, wget, openmpi bin, openmpi dev. So I type this and press enter. Well, the good thing about Ubuntu is you get some feedback. Okay, there's no openmpi dev, so I just remove that. So, anytime you have a problem, you get an error message. Always read the error message. With Unix systems, you always get a suggestion on what you're doing wrong and how to fix it, what to do. So this process right now has a lot of installation and downloads to do. So therefore, it can take some time, maybe 15 minutes or so. So I'll just let this run. At the end of this, you have almost all the packages that you need for the installation. Okay, so that is now complete. I just realized that probably what I made, yeah. So here there was a spelling mistake. After warning you about it, I made a little spelling mistake. So I just run that last one again. You can do the same or if you learn from my mistake, when you initially use this command, use lib openmpi minus dev. So just do that and install that. There you go. So now we have all the packages, almost all the packages that we need installed. The next step would be to download Hyper and Paraview from your browser. So I will talk about this in the next video, where you download the high performance libraries and Paraview, a software used for visualization. That's it for this video.